Ever feel like you need 5 different apps just to trade spot futures and manage your own wallet? OKX puts all of it under one roof, and today I'm breaking down whether this all in one crypto exchange is actually worth using.
This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only.
Here's the first thing that sets OKX apart: everything lives under one roof. Spot, margin, futures, options, all sitting in the same place, behind one login and one wallet. So there's no juggling separate platforms. There's no moving funds around just to switch how you trade. You watch how I move across these tabs, and it's all right here. And the cost of trading is lean. Base spot fees is 0.08% on the maker side and 0.01 on the taker side. And that's before any discounts kick in. The more you trade or the more OKB you hold, the lower those fees drop. At the higher VIP tiers, maker fees can fall all the way to zero and in some cases go negative, meaning you get paid to provide liquidity. Scroll through the markets and you'll see the range: over 350 assets, more than 500 trading pairs, and up to 125x leverage on futures. Whatever you want to trade, it's here. Now, this is the part most exchanges force you to leave the app for, and OKX builds it straight in. Right next to your trading account is a full Web3 wallet. Same app, no extensions, no separate download, no friction. And here's what really matters: this wallet is non custodial. Your keys, your crypto, and even though you're inside a centralized exchange, you hold your own assets fully in your control. It connects to more than 100 blockchains and it runs a built in DEX aggregator. So when I go to swap a token, watch what happens. It's X routing engine scans hundreds of decentralized exchanges and cross-chain bridges in the background, then routes to trade for the best possible price. You get the depth of DeFi with the simplicity of a wallet that's already part of your account. You don't have to sit glued to the screen to trade on OKX because automation is built right in. These bots are native to the platform, which means no third-party subscriptions and no extra fees on top of your normal trading costs. There's a grid bot for markets moving sideways, buying low and selling high across a range. There's a DCA bot to average your way into a position over time, and there's recurring buy for the set and forget crowd who just want to stack an asset at regular intervals. And if strategy building isn't your thing, right, you can simply copy someone who's already good at it. Over on copy trading, you can browse, a load of traders, and before you follow anyone, you get to see their real numbers, their win rate, their drawdown, their profit and loss, all laid out. So find one whose style and risk you're comfortable with, and you can follow them with a single tap. One thing to be clear about: lead traders take a percentage cut of the profits you earn by copying them. So it isn't free, but the way it works, you're only paying them when you're actually winning. After everything this industry has been through, right, this is a section that should matter to you most. OKX publishes proof of reserves every single month. It's verified using ZK Stark cryptography and checked by independent auditors, and it lets you confirm for yourself that the platform holds customer funds one to one. There's no trust required. You can go and check the report right here on your own account. The protection stacks up too. You've got two-factor authentication, an anti-phishing code so you can spot fake OKX emails instantly, and withdrawal address whitelisting, so funds can only ever leave to addresses you've pre-approved. And behind all of that, the bulk of client funds sit in cold storage, kept offline and out of reach. Your money isn't being gambled with, it's held, backed, and verifiable. If you're looking for one exchange that can handle your trading, your Web3 wallet, and your automation all in one place, check out the link in the description to create your OKX account and explore the platform for yourself.